Hello guys, let's do some analysis in today's video and see how we can make up to $200 and above in today's trading activities. However, if you are willing to make good amount of money on daily basis, then you need to join my Telegram channel right away. There's going to be a link to my Telegram channel in the description box below this video. Click on it and join, okay, because right from there I post useful trading tips, and of course I also follow up with trading activities, most especially for those that are having my custom made indicators. Okay, so this is very important so that you guys can know how to make some good amount of money for yourself right from here. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. So quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, this time around we will be making use of the 3M trend milk trading indicator. It is also a custom made indicator, and of course it is so unique that you get to know the trend right from the beginning of the trend, and of course you get to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, if you should notice, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and boom 1000 had been on uptrend for a very long time. That is why you are seeing more of the yellow flag than the red flag. Okay, yellow flag signifies that the market is on uptrend, okay, and the blue arrows are the entry point for a buy signal. So this came from the support zone, and it has been more of an uptrend from then till now. Okay, so the moment it has got into this resistance zone and trying to see if it can go back into a downtrend, it got to this region, was unable to break out below it, and of course if you should notice, it has been following up this pattern for a while. Okay, check it out. It has been following it up for a while. So this time around it has got into the resistance zone again, and it is selling again, and of course it will sell until it gets to this region. Okay, it will sell until it gets to this trend line. Okay, if it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to be targeting this region, okay, as the next TP. But first, the next TP is at this trend line. If it breaks out below this, then it will be targeting this, but if it does not, then it will go back up till it gets to this resistance zone again. So you should take note of that. If you should see the pattern, it has been doing that for a while. Okay, it has been following that pattern for a while. That is why you are seeing this. Okay, so this is very important. But if it should break out below this trend line, it will get to this region. If it should break out below this support zone, then definitely it will get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very important, so you guys should take advantage of this opportunity right away. If it breaks out below this, then definitely it will be coming to the lower part of the chart. Okay, so this is very important. But for now, follow the instruction and milk the market successfully. If it's unable to break out below this trend line, then it will go back up, so you need to buy. If it breaks out below the trend line, you need to continue selling till you get to this particular support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500, because I said we will be analyzing the markets one after the other, and we are using 5-minute time frame just for us to get the current situation of the market, so that we can use it to milk the market successfully. This actually got to this resistance zone after buying for a while. It got to this resistance zone, and of course it came down till it got to this support zone. It was unable to go below this, so it went back up again and pulled back, and of course went back up. This is also following a certain pattern around here. It has not been able to break out below this trend line also. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so and of course it got to this resistance zone a second time. If it's unable to break out above this, then it's going to sell. So this is also very important. Here is a resistance zone. Okay, so we want to see if it will break out above it. If it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying. So you need to check out the higher time frame to know where it is going to again. But if it does not, then it's going to sell, and it will sell until it gets to this trend line. If it breaks out below this trend line, then definitely we expect it to get to this region, okay, as the next TP. Okay, if it should break out below this, then definitely it should get to somewhere here. Okay, it should get to somewhere here first. okay, yeah, somewhere here first as the next TP, and if it should break out below this, then definitely guys it should get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so these are some of the ways of analyzing your charts in order to have profitable trades. First of all, know the trend, which is what the indicator will help you to know. Okay, if it's on yellow flag like this, it is on uptrend. That is why I said it is still buying. If it is on red flag, then it is selling. Okay, so you should just understand that and follow the arrows. Okay, and you will be able to milk the market successfully. But before you follow the arrow, know the trend first, and that is why it is showing you the trend right from the beginning. Okay, so this crash 1000 started an uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag and the blue arrow, so it kept on buying until it got to this region, had a pullback, went back up again, and of course it is trying to see if it will break out above the resistance zone. So this is still buying, and it will buy until it get to this region. If it's unable to break out from here, then definitely it will go back on downtrend, and it will continue to sell, and it will sell until it get to somewhere here again. Okay, if it should break out below this support zone, then definitely it will target this region. But however, it is buying at the moment, so allow it to buy until it get to this and see if it's going to break out above the resistance zone. Now let's move on to crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500. It had been on a very strong downtrend, but got to the support zone, was unable to go below that, so it started an uptrend which came to an end somewhere here. Okay, so right now it is selling at the moment. So if it is selling at the moment, then definitely we expect it to get to somewhere here. If it's unable to break out from here, it will be trying out the resistance zone again to see if it will break out above it. But if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely guys it should get to somewhere here. Guys, it should get to somewhere here. Okay, and of course if it should break out below that, okay, then definitely we are expecting it to get to this region. If it should break out below this, then it should get to the last part of the trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so now let's check out all these and see how we can use it to milk the market successfully. So you can go ahead, check them out one after the other, listen to the analysis so that you will understand how it works. Okay, so that you can take advantage of the markets right away. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.